Hello, you're welcome once again to this channel, and we are glad to have you here. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do well to support us by subscribing to our channel. And in this channel, we share valuable information on how to do a lot of things, valuable information about Facebook, about YouTube, and about other social media platforms. So in this particular video, we're going to be sharing information on how you can withdraw funds directly into your mobile money wallet. Are you in Cameroon? Are you in Nigeria? Are you in Ghana? Are you in Zimbabwe? Are you in South Africa or any other African country? And you have issues withdrawing money from PayPal. I am right here to take you step by step on how you can do that. So firstly, to be able to do that, you need to have a card that supports transfers, cards that can receive, right? There are some cards that you can only send, you can only use to send, you can't receive from any platform. So you must have a card that supports. And then secondly, you have to have that card linked to your PayPal account. If you haven't done that, I have a video on this channel that will show you how to do that. Watch our previous video, how to link your card to your PayPal and how to get it verified. So once you have that done, then your card is ready to receive funds. So in this case, we're going to be using, I have used a card called Eversend, which is a virtual card, right? It's a virtual card. So once you have your card linked to your virtual card, to your PayPal, you get to your home page. You can see from here, you can see manage money. You click here on this drop down, you're going to see transfer money. There are two ways. You can either click here to get that done, or you come to pay and get paid. Pay and get paid. Remember, this is a business WhatsApp, business PayPal account, right? So if you are in Africa or any other country that you don't have access to the business PayPal, you can comment on the comment section that you need a business PayPal. That's the PayPal account that you can be able to receive funds. You know, most countries have only the opportunity to use PayPal to send, and they cannot receive payments. So you can have this option if you have a business PayPal, right? So I'll be uploading a video in the days ahead on how to get a business PayPal in an unsupported country. Okay, you can also click here, pay and get paid. Go to payments. And it takes you here. You're going to see transfer money, right? It's the same thing that you saw there, transfer money. You can simply just click here. So once it opens, it's going to take you here. It shows the balance. If you want to transfer all the balance from your account, or you want to transfer a specific amount, you simply enter the amount. You cancel this and enter the amount that you want to transfer. And then you're going to choose. There are two methods here, as you can see, in minutes. So if you want it to go faster in the next few minutes, you can choose this one, but it depends on the card. So if you choose this, it will tell you to link a debit card. It tells you to link a debit card, right? So we'll choose this. If you choose this, it's going to show up the card that we have linked, right? You show up, and then you say fees may apply. Even here there are fees, right? So you simply here you can see the amount of fees that you need to pay for this transfer or for this transaction, $5. So you can see the total amount to be transferred is just $6.15, and then you have $5 as fees. So you will get this number. Okay, so if you are ready to do that, you simply click on transfer. So you know that it's going to take between 1 to 3 days for the funds to appear on your card, right? So in the next between 1 to 3 days, these funds are going to appear on your card. So next I'm going to take us to the card, and then from there I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer funds, assuming you have already transferred the funds into your card. If you have already transferred the funds into your card, how do you get them to your mobile money? Like I said from the beginning, you must use a card that supports mobile money transactions to and fro, right? So here we are on the Eversend card provider. You can see here's the interface. Sorry. Once you're here, you can go to the particular card. If we did that transaction, the amount will appear here. The available amount is going to appear here, and then you can see withdraw, right? You can see withdraw. So you're simply going to withdraw. It's here in USD. So you can click on withdraw, and you simply enter the amount that you want to withdraw. You're withdrawing from card. Withdraw from card, right? So you can see a withdraw from card. Then you enter the amount. Is it $10? We don't have auto, right? You say the minimum is $5. So you enter the amount here, and you're going to simply confirm. If the amount was up to, then it will highlight this. It will highlight this continue. I simply take on continue, and the amount is going to appear on your balance, right? It's going to appear on your balance. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to come to send. You're going to come to send here in this button at the bottom middle. You click on send, and you can see here you can send to bank, you can send to airtime. In other words, you can buy airtime from here. You can send to mobile, or you can click here and add number manually, right? Let's take mobile for instance. So here on mobile, you can see number already added, and the name, which is mine. You simply click on it. You can see withdraw money, and if that money was sent here, you simply do what? You simply enter the amount here. Say 50,000 CFA France, and once you do that, it's going to highlight this continue button, and you click on continue, and in the next few minutes, with this, it's automatic. It's going to appear on your mobile money wallet on your telephone. Okay, whichever, whether you're using MTN, you're using Orange, or whatever network that supports mobile money, you can link the number right here. You can add here, take here and add the number, enter the name, and then you enter the number, you enter the number here, you enter the code, enter the number, and then you save it. So that is how it is. Remember, once you withdraw from card, it's not going to appear directly here in CFA because it is USD that you are withdrawing. So once you withdraw from card, it's still in USD. So the next thing you need to exchange before withdrawing to your mobile wallet, you need to first of all go to exchange. Okay, sorry, I jumped that step. You go to exchange, then you're going to see take USD here. So the amount of USD, and then you want to exchange to CFA, right? So you can see the exchange rate here. 1 USD is close to 570 francs CFA. Okay, because this is Cameroon. So you enter now the amount of USD that you have that you want to withdraw. Simply enter it here, and then let's say it was 50 or 10 USD, for instance. You see 10 USD is going to give you 500 or 5,742.4 francs CFA. Okay, then you're simply going to confirm here, and then you take continue, and it's going to exchange to francs CFA. The moment it exchange, it's going to show up on the main balance here in CFA. You understand? So it's going to, you can see it's going to show in CFA, and then you can now go to send, and then you choose the number, and then you enter the amount, and then you continue, and you get it to your mobile money. Please, if you didn't understand, take it over. You can go over and over again so that you can really understand the whole process, and it will become so easy for you. Thank you for watching this far, and endeavor to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Also endeavor to like, share, and comment, and ask a question on the comment section, and watch out for more videos. Thank you. God bless you for watching this far. Shalom. Love you all.